Hi, good morning everybody. It's Sunday. It is Catherine. Hey, I just wanted to get on here real quick and invite you to my open house today. Today I'll be at 11275 Columbine Street in Firestone. It is located in the Mountain Shadow subdivision. It's a beautiful home, original owner. It's almost 3,200 square foot, 2-story with unfinished basement. Currently there is 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. 4 bedrooms plus. I say plus because there is a loft area on the upper level that could be the 5th bedroom, or if you needed more bedrooms than 4, you could always put bedrooms in the basement because there are egress windows in the basement. This home just came on the market and it could be yours for the holidays. Home for the holidays, right? But it could be. It just came on the market on Friday, I believe it was, and it is on the market for $649,000. So if you want to come over and take a look and see what this area has to offer, please stop by and say hi. Please stop by and take a look at the property. And if you do happen to come by, remember that I love coffee. So make sure if you come by and say hi that you bring me coffee. I'm always trying to get my coffee. Anyways, come by and take a look at this beautiful home. 11275 Columbine. Hope to see you guys there. Have a beautiful Sunday.